we are typing -a, double quotes, echo, hello world, close single quote, close double quote. Something like the following output will appear after executing this command. Now, if we want to issue the commands not only on the local host, but run it on several remote servers or even groups of servers, that's when we'll need Ansible inventory file. Ansible inventory is basically a simple .ini file that contains a list of IP addresses, fully qualified host names, or short host names, and sometimes it can contain extra variables that define some aspects about the hosts. Generally, hosts are organized in groups, with the name of the group put on top between two square brackets. It'll be a good idea to put this Ansible inventory file in your home directory and after that work just in your inventory file. So let's create a directory named Ansible by typing mkdir Ansible and change directory to this